everybody. How are you doing today? Let me introduce. My name is Daniel Panjitan. You can call me Daniel. My origin North Sumatra. I will present topic of maintaining health and safety at workplace. Next slide. Introduction. Workplace safety is very important for each and every employees in the industry because all the workers desire to work in a safe and protected atmosphere. Health and safety is the key factor for all the industry in order to promote the wellness of both employees and employer. It is a duty and moral responsibility of the company to look after the employees' protection. Next slide. Role of employers in ensuring their own safety. Workers are responsible for their own safety on the job. This means that you have the right to refuse to do any acts or operation, any tools, applicate, or equipment when you have reasonable cause to believe that to do so will put you in danger. Role of administration in health and safety legislation. The Health and Safety Authority has every overall responsibility for the administration and enforcement of health and safety at work. HSA also promotes education, training, and research in the field of health and safety. Role of management in maintenance of safety equipment. Regular maintenance of equipment is an important and necessary activity. The term maintenance covers many activities including inspection, testing, measurement, replacement, and adjustment, and is carried out in all sectors and workplaces. It has a vital role to play in reducing the risks associated with some workplace hazards and providing safer and healthier working conditions. Next slide. Safety at the workplace. Workplace safety is very important for us and every employee in the industry because all the workers desire to work in a safe and protected atmosphere. Health and safety is the key factor for all the industry in order to promote the wellness of both employees and employers. It is a duty and moral responsibility of the company to look after the employees' protection. Next slide. Step 1. Aware about the surrounding. There are many employees who does bother about their surrounding hazard, but it is important to observe your CO employees' working circumstance. Once you get to know about the particular hazard that occur at your workplace, then it will help you in reducing the risk and allow you to take the precautionary step. Next slide. Step 2. Reduce workplace stress. Most of the employees are not fit and healthy because of their busy schedule, which includes long working hours, work pressure, and conflict occur with CEO workers or with the boss of the organization, and all this can lead to some illness or depression to the employees. Also, this not only affect their professional life but also created the noise in the personal life too. Next slide. You use tools appropriately. Take appropriate precaution while using machinery or any other tools. Instead of taking any shortcut. Taking shortcut is one of the biggest reasons behind workplace loss. It's a big safety risk to use scaffolding as a leader or one tool instead of another for a particular job. So, it is always recommended to use the correct tool and reduce the opportunity of workplace injury. Next slide. Step 4. Keep crisis exits which are easily accessible. In case there is an emergency, you will need quick access to the exit. It is also advised to keep clear use of equipment shut off, which might stop you from performing an emergency. Next slide. Step 5. Update your supervisor about the unsafe condition. Safety. It is important that you keep updating your supervisor about the hazard or risks occurred at workplace. They shall be legally obligated to ensure that their employees are working a safe environment or not. And in case if the employers are not working in safe condition, then it is the responsibility of the supervisor to listen and understand their condition and create safe working environment for employers. Next slide. Step 6. Use mechanical assistant. Whenever you want to carry or lift of some heavy equipment, then you should use a conveyor belt, crane or forklift. There are lots of risks involved. If you try to lift something which is heavier, it can affect your weight capability and can lead to some muscle displacement. So make sure that use the improvised tool for not harming yourself. Next slide. Stay alert. There are many employers who usually compromise or ig- ignore the alert of advance warning, and due to this, a number of workplace injuries or fatalities occur. Slide. Reduce workplace environment stress. Stress to any employee or to any CO worker can lead into depression and into concentration problem. And the main reason include extended working hard, excess of work, insecurity of job, and issue which occur in you worker or professional. So instead of talking straight on your shoulder, you should discuss in it with your supervisor and ask him here to look after your problem which you are facing in the organization. Next slide. Wear the right safety equipment. It is essential that you wear the right protection equipment during your work, and the equipment can be in any form like air plug, helmet, hard hat, gloves, full packs, mask, safety glove, and any other equipment which is required to work while working. These tools will prevent the worker from the incident that occur in workplace. Next slide. Step 10. Sit in a proper posture. If have a sitting job, then it is essential then keep your posture correct. While working on a desk, you need to keep your shoulder in line and straight back to avoid any speed problem. 3. To agree stop, stop stopping and twisting regularly and if possible. Then 3. To use the comfort, design, furniture, and the safety equipment. So then the desired thing will be in your race.